Morning, boys and girls. So we are going to spell some words. We're going to say the sounds and spell the words. And today, the words are going to be a little longer. So all the words are going to have at least 4 letters and maybe 5. Because you guys are good at this now, so we can really just go for it. All right. First of all, our first word is flap, like a bird can flap their wings. All right. So step 1, say all the sounds and flap. Oh, app. Okay. So let's go ahead and spell that. Jimmy said F. O, Janaya, O, L. O, A, Liam, A. Flap, Taraji, P. Flap. Okay, my next word is sent, like I sent you a message. Ready? Sent. Say the sounds. Sent. Okay, sent. Adriana said S. Elijah, what's E? Sen. Will said N. And T. Okay. Let's do flick. Like, ready? Flick. Ready? Say the sounds and flick. Oh, ick. All right, Mason, you're up. Mason said F. Oh, London. Oh, L. Oh, I. What vowel is I, boys and girls? Aria, I. Aria said I. Flick. CK, because it's at the end, okay? A lot of times words that have k at the end have a CK. Flick. Good. All right. Say all the sounds and stop. Stop. Okay. Devin, stop. Devin said S. St. Juliana, T. St. Fabia said O. Stop. Mason, P. Mason said P. Very good. Okay. All right, guys. My word is must, like you must do your work. Say the sounds in must. Must. Callie, Callie said M. Dylan, what's what vowel? U. Must. S. Must. Must. Okay. All right, guys, let's do last, like last in line. Say the sounds in last. O, est. Okay, O. A, last. Last. T, of course. Very good. Okay. Okay. Guys, say best, like do your best. Ready? Best. Okay. B. B. E. Best. Best. Okay. All right. Guys, let's do wish. Like, I wish we could go to school today. Ready? Wish. 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 Okay. Spell it. W. Wish. How do you spell sh? S-H. Very good. Wish. Good. Okay, guys, let's do chop. Like, chop down the tree. Ready? Chop. Chop. Okay, ready? Ch. How do you spell ch? Does anybody remember? Ch. C-H. C-H says ch. Ch. O. Chop. Awesome. Okay, let's do brush, like brush your teeth. Ready? B-r-sh. B-r-sh. Okay, B-r-r-u-brush. How do you spell sh? S-H. Brush. Very nice job. All right, boys and girls, you did a great job. So I want you to keep practicing spelling words, okay? Anytime you want to, you can get a list and write down any word you know. It's always really good practice, especially over the summer, so that when you get to first grade, you're all nice and ready, okay? So guys, today is June 1st, and we have a few days left of school, 14 actually. Tomorrow will be 13, and it's Monday, so tomorrow's going to be what? Tuesday, that's right. So we're going to do 2 Google meetings this week, boys and girls. We're going to do a meeting on Tuesday tomorrow at 12 o'clock. We're also going to do one on Friday at 10:30. And Friday at 10:30, I told the kids you guys can wear a costume, wear your favorite costume, or if you don't have a costume, if you have pajamas that's like a character, like if you have, Buzz Lightyear pajamas, or if you have Spider-Man pajamas, that's cool. Do that. All right, so just be something, whatever thing you feel like being. All right, guys, great job.